Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best windshield is probably one of the most practical upgrades you can make for your Polaris Ranger 800. It significantly enhances your riding experience by shielding you from wind, rain, and debris. A good windshield not only improves comfort but also extends the usability of your Ranger, allowing you to enjoy your off-road adventures in various weather conditions, making it a must-have accessory for any serious rider. Number 5. SuperATV Polaris Ranger XP800 Windshield. This windshield is designed specifically for your Polaris Ranger XP800. It's cut to match the contours of your machine perfectly. You'll get the fit you need, keeping the elements out. This windshield fits various Polaris Ranger models from 2010 to 2016. It's compatible with the XP800, Crew, and 6x6 versions. It can also be used with most soft or hard tops. Made from 1/4-inch thick clear polycarbonate, this windshield is shatter-resistant. It's 250 times stronger than glass and 25 times stronger than acrylic. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of off-roading. The windshield comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. It also includes a pre-installed bulb seal for a quick and secure fit. Instructions are available on the manufacturer's website or via a QR code. This product is proudly made in the USA. The quality and durability of the material ensures that it will last for a long time. What we like. This windshield is built tough with heavy-duty polycarbonate, making it virtually indestructible on the trails. The pre-installed bulb seal keeps the elements out, ensuring a comfortable ride. If you frequently go off-roading and need a durable, reliable windshield, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. Windshield is an exact fit. Quality material and easy to install. This one replaced it in a flash, was easy to put on and clear as glass. Number 4. SuperATV Windshield for Polaris Ranger XP800. This SuperATV windshield offers ultimate versatility. You can ride with it open, closed, or vented to match any weather condition, ensuring your comfort on every ride. Made from 1/4-inch polycarbonate, this windshield is built to last. It's 25 times stronger than acrylic, providing superior protection against debris while maintaining clear visibility. This windshield is designed for various Polaris Ranger models from 2010 to 2016. It's compatible with many soft or hard tops, offering a great fit for your UTV. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this windshield guarantees top-notch craftsmanship. You can rely on its quality and durability for all your off-road adventures. The full protection windshield comes pre-assembled for quick installation. You can scan the QR code for instructions or visit the manufacturer's website for a how-to video. What we like. This windshield offers ultimate versatility with its flip design, allowing you to adjust it to full, half, or vented positions. Constructed from scratch-resistant polycarbonate, it ensures durability and clear visibility in any weather. If you like having options and need a windshield that adapts to changing conditions, you should consider this. What people say. Easy install and perfect protection on our Ranger. And the ability to open slightly to keep dust from coming up from the back helps great and keeps the rain off you when running the trails. Fits with factory roof. Amazing scratch resistance. I drive through a lot of heavy brush and in bad weather and definitely recommend this product for such use. The pop-up window makes all the difference in the heat of summer and snaps right down when needed. Number 3. StarknightMT Ranger 800 570 Windshield. Introducing the StarknightMT Ranger 800 570 Windshield. This windshield is designed to enhance your off-road experience. This windshield is compatible with Polaris Ranger 800 XP, Crew, and 6x6 models from 2010 to 2016, and Ranger full-size 570 2016 to 2025 with round tube cage, 2017 to 2022 Ranger 570 to 6 full-size, round tube cage, 2023 to 2025 Ranger Crew 570 full-size, round tube cage. Make sure it fits your model. Made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate, it's coated to prevent scratches. It's shatterproof, heat-resistant, and windproof, ensuring a safe ride. The windshield blocks 95% of UV light, protecting you from the sun. This feature makes it more durable and prevents yellowing over time. It features a waterproof rubber seal for stability and impact absorption. This design enhances the overall protection during your rides. With a 95% light transmission rate, it offers clear vision. Cleaning is simple with just a wet towel, keeping your view unobstructed. The windshield includes self-adhesive clamps and an aluminum brace for easy installation. No drilling is required, and it comes with instructions. What we like. This windshield features a special coating that prevents scratches and blocks UV light, ensuring long-lasting clarity and protection. Installation is made easy with included clamps and an aluminum brace, so you can quickly get back on the trails. If you are looking for a windshield that offers superior UV protection and easy installation, this is a great choice. What people say. 15-minute installation and a perfect fit. The windshield is very clear. Fit my Polaris UTV and was easy to install. Number 2. SuperATV Polaris Ranger Midsize Windshield. This windshield is designed for your Polaris Ranger Midsize. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions, protecting you from debris and the elements. It's a must-have for any off-road enthusiast. Made from 1/4-inch thick scratch-resistant polycarbonate, this windshield is incredibly durable. It's 250 times stronger than glass and 25 times stronger than acrylic. You can ride with confidence knowing it can handle anything. The XR Optic hard coating provides exceptional scratch resistance. It's applied inside and out, so you don't have to worry about scratches from brush or sand. This ensures a clear view, no matter where you go. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware and pre-installed bulb seal. It fits the contours of your cage and hood perfectly. The heavy-duty clamps ensure a snug, rattle-free fit. This windshield fits various Polaris Ranger midsize models from 2010 and up. Please check the fitment to ensure it's compatible with your specific vehicle. It's designed for a wide range of adventures. What we like. This windshield features XR Optic hard coating for superior scratch resistance, keeping your view clear even in tough conditions. The heavy-duty clamps ensure a secure, rattle-free fit. If you have a midsize Ranger and want a windshield that can withstand the rigors of off-roading, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit as it should. The windshield is very sturdy, almost double the thickness from the one I removed. Easy installation too. Keeps the bugs and rain from coming in. Number 1. Polaris Ranger 800/700 Clear Folding Windshield. This windshield is made of 1/4-inch thick polycarbonate, which is shatterproof. It's also UV stabilized, making it much more rigid and stable than thinner options. This ensures durability and longevity. The design includes a full-length rubber gasket. This feature prevents damage and scratching to your dash. It also creates a great seal, keeping the elements out. This windshield works great to reduce dust inside the cab. It creates a barrier, keeping the interior cleaner. Enjoy a more comfortable ride with less dust. It mounts securely with rubber cushioned stainless clamps and stainless hardware. This ensures a secure fit without unwanted noise. You can rely on its stability. You don't need to remove the windshield for towing. It can be safely towed at highway speeds. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind. What we like. This windshield is made of 1/4 thick polycarbonate, offering superior durability and stability. The full-length rubber gasket creates a great seal, preventing damage and scratches. If you are looking for a windshield that is easy to install and can be towed at highway speeds, this is the one for you. What people say. Quality seems great. Installation was easy. Molded bottom fits hood perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.